Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, epidemiologist, biostatistician, faculty member, and in this segment I'm going to be going over a bit about how to construct a qualitative research study. So let's go ahead and get started here. Now this is a prospectus form that is available here, and has a lot more detail than you would at first expect. So of course, here's the form. We want to make sure this is complete. Now there's a lot of examples. You see the form here. You write the title, you provide keywords, and then put the 10 brief summaries that's important, problem gap, well, social problem gap, research problem, and then going into the purpose, and then going into the framework, research questions, nature of the study, all of those things. And then you have a research alignment table that you go in and complete. So this is kind of how you complete this. Now, please note that at the bottom there's actually a lot of examples, and the way you get there is you can click on these convenient links. Like here's the link, and if you want to find out how to construct some research questions, then you can actually go into certain links here. So wherever there are links, you can kind of go. However, what you want to do is scroll down. A lot of people don't do that. You want to scroll down here and take a look at the different examples. So like I was saying, we're looking at qualitative here. So here is what you would do in a qualitative example. Then you can go into supporting literature, and then go into the background. So there's the title, and then here are some examples that you can use here. Sometimes this can be kind of complicated to follow, but if you go through here, you can kind of course, the 10 brief summaries, they're according to what you're writing about. And then social problem is basically similar for both types of studies. And then the gap is right here. And so the social problem is similar. However, in the research problem, there's actually examples of qualitative versus quantitative. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is there's quantitative and qualitative examples. Here, quantitative is to examine, very deductionist, kind of a reductionist approach, deductive reasoning. Qualitative is more inductive reasoning. So this is more done where the phenomena are not really understood well. So you, at that, from that perspective, you do a qualitative. Conceptual framework, you have, or theoretical framework, that's the main one that we use here. There's the theoretical framework example, and then theoretical framework. Typically, there's not much difference between theoretical framework for qualitative and quantitative. Now, here's one area that you have to kind of make note. Qualitative examples are here, quantitative examples are here. There's actually a very big difference because you're writing the null alternative hypothesis. Qualitative example is, these are the overarching questions. If you have a questionnaire that you're working on, or doing a focus group, then you want to have roughly about 10 questions per hour, because if you have more, then that will inundate the respondent, and you don't want to do that. So here is qualitative question, and very specific. So we'll adopt an inductive, and this is something I was telling you about. So from the interviews, and of course to develop a theory, and they identify that as grounded theory. That's important. Is it what type of study it is, and how the study you will conduct will recruit certain respondents. So here's all of the different examples. Significance is both the same for qualitative and quantitative, and that is basically what you have to complete. Um, so in some places there's the difference, and basically what I'm telling you to do is go through this document. I gave you a brief overview of what this document is. However, you want to kind of make sure that you have gone through it carefully so that you know um, what is there, what is needed here. Here's a YouTube video that you can go visit for the research design alignment table. This is more specifically geared towards quantitative. However, this is something you want to complete for qualitative as well. So in summary, qualitative and quantitative has stark differences. However, if you go through the examples and take a look at how the qualitative write-up is provided, then that would give you a brief overview of how you can proceed with your qualitative prospectus. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.